Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Twisted Paper Studio. How are you? I hope that you are all well. It's Tuesday, you guys, day 91 of the 100-day craft project. I'm really excited. Tuesday. Again, remember I'm pre-recording because I'll be looking at houses today with the realtor. Well, I might be coming in today, so I'm just getting this video done. So thank you for bearing with me. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Let's read our card for today, Tuesday. Goals. That's a good one for me for the upcoming days. Okay, let's read. Let's read what the Blueberry Dragon says about goals. Blueberry Dragon, little Blueberry Dragon. The reminder word for goals. When this affable fellow wanders in, it's a good time to look at your goals. Prioritize activities based on time needed. Take on the longer tasks first. Blueberry reminds us that we must focus our energies in order to make things happen. When you have a large project at hand, write down the steps, make a timeline, then carefully calculate each part of the journey toward the end of the goal. Plan your work, then work your plan. I love that. Thank you, Blueberry Dragon. Okay, so let's move forward. And we're going to get started with our video today. We're going to be working in this tag book. And I did not, guys, I have been so busy. I did not do my printer yet. And I promise you, the 2 days that I spend at my children's house, I'm going to be there so that I can find, you know, my home. And with the realtor, I'm going to be working on some other things. So hopefully we'll be able to get that done. And then I come back and I gotta do my printer. So beautiful blessings to Harley Marquez, Annette DePete, and Lori Riddle. Beautiful blessings to you. And also beautiful blessings to Biddy Penny. Hi, Biddy. Beautiful blessings to you. Okay, so let's see. We got our timer started here. And we're just gonna, what do I do with that thing? I think I put it. Okay. So I'm going to take a look at some of the work that we've done already. I'd like to fill up this journal with some of the things that we have. So let's take a look. I don't know all that we've had in here. I am wanting tags. So let me take a look that these will fit. I don't even know. We can take a look. And they do. Well, they fit, you guys, and I like that one. I like that. This is going to be a tag collection from all the tags that we have made. Oh, look at that. Through this 100-day project. I'm liking it. And I think I'll put that in this way. I like it. Oh, I didn't know these were going to fit. How fun. Let's take a look here. Look how cute. This is a lot of work, you guys. Look how cute. And you put this in down this way. I like him there. How adorable. Oh, wow. This might be easier than I thought, you guys. This is cute. You put him in there. I want to fill it up with tags. I like this page like that. That's so cute. All right, let's keep going now. And I encourage you to go back and look at how I made this tag book, you guys. It was a complete mistake. And it's just the most darlingest thing. It was a full-bodied, complete mistake. Oh, look at that. Maybe, do I want to put maybe this over here? Hold on, let's see. Maybe we'll put him there? No. What else do we have here? Too big. How about this? Oh, maybe we'll put her like that down there with the ribbon. Well, that's cute. I like the ribbon sticking out of the end. That's cute. Uh-oh, what happened here? Yeah, glued together. So I encourage you to go check out how this book was made. It was a mistake. It most certainly was. It was a mistake. Look how cute. We can put these in upside down. It's no big deal. I might not, though. I might not. Let me see. Let me go to the next page because they'll be right side up. There we go. I think I want these ones right side up. I like to look at the bird. Maybe we'll put, well here, this one we'll put in like this. And let me see. How about the duck? Let's put the duck in. Oopsie. Should we put the duck in upside down? No. Let's put him right side up. It's like a tuck. That's cute. I like that. I like that. Maybe I'll switch these guys. Let me put this in this way and put this in this way. I like that, and that, and that. We'll put the flower in this way. I thought about it upside down, but it doesn't have to be. I like it. Wow. How cute. And this just holds all your tags, you guys. But boy, do we have a lot to fill up. Okay, let me take a look here. Well, this little guy, I made a mistake on him because I scraped his face and he got all this stuff. I said he was going to be my mascot in here. Well, let's put him right here. He's my mascot in my craft room. He's so cute. Okay, I made this tag for in here, but you know what? I don't know if it's going to fit. I think I made them too big. Oh, no, it will. Okay, so let's see if there we go. So you're going to kind of see the fabric up there. Yeah? Oh, can you hold on one second? I'm so sorry. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. Okay, let's see. We're going to finish doing what we were doing. I'm sorry. My family. Okay. My family needed me. All right. I'm going to put him in here, I think. Like that. I like this. I love the way this is coming out. Let me see if I have anything else to put in there. I don't know. We did take out some stuff from the other book, so let's take a look. We could possibly put some more. Oh, yeah. So we took some of this stuff out from the other books, and we might as well fill up these tag pockets with them. Right? And this. No. 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 This is a journaling card. It's going to be too wide. No. I don't know what I have here. Oh, look. Look, this one. Whoopsie. With the egg. That could probably go in there. Oh, yeah, I like that one. Okay. Wow, I made this many tags, huh? This one, that's cute. Has a little pocket in there. I like him, though. Will he fit? He's going to stick out a little bit. That's okay. I like him. All right, these are all journaling cards. No, we put one of those in there. That's okay. We don't need to put two. I wonder about these journaling cards that... I wonder if they'll fit. Oh, wow, you guys. So, this is like a really great idea. When you make all the tags and the tucks and the pockets and you make all that stuff, the tags and the journaling cards, and you have so much, and it's all eclectic. Maybe we can take some, how about we take some of this, and then we'll put one of these in its place. So when it's all eclectic and you have so much, you can make a little book like this. What a cute little Happy Mail, or maybe something to send to. Oh no, these are going to be these are too big. Why? Huh. But it could be something so sweet to send to someone, you know? All the work that you do. All right, but this has to go back in here. I don't know what happened. These pockets seem larger in the back here. Are they larger, or is my tags just bigger? I don't know. I don't know. That's not fitting. Okay, let me check this out. Let me check it. Huh. I need a sip of water. Excuse me. Okay. No, maybe they're a little bit bigger. Not much. What's this one? Oh, I love this one. I think I'm saving this for something, you guys. I absolutely love this little one I did. This little ruby. I'm not sure where I'm going to put that. I might not even use it in the 100-day project. I may use it for a special book. Let's take a look here. Let's see what this one. You know what? I think we don't have very many tags left to fill in here. And I do have some tags that I'm going to be printing out for this special thing. So definitely go back, you guys, and take a look at how I made this tag book, because it is something very special. It was a mistake, and I absolutely adore it. I love it. Oh, wait, here's some more of these. Oh, we can put those in there. Do I have any more? I have her. Let's put her in there. We'll put those guys together. Oh, how cute. And I'm not sure. Do I have more? Whoopsie. I do. Ooh, I have more. Oh, look how cute. And then we can always make more, you guys. We can always make more. I think I'm going to put this one in here. That's what we do. We craft. So we just keep making more. We just keep making more. That is what we do. I think I'm going to put him on the end. How cute. And even if we use them all up, it's okay. That's why we make them, to make these little tiny books. They're just so adorable. That's up. This one is going to go up. And this one is going to go up. Oh my goodness. Oh. There we go. I probably have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. I think 5 more pages left. That's it. 5 more pages of some tags. So that's like 10 tags, which we can do in a blink of an eye, honestly. But I do have some tags that I wanted to present in this book. However, my printer. Yes, my printer. My printer. She's bad. Okay. There, and there. There's one. All right, you guys. Oh, there's one. We don't have to keep that in the library pocket. We can put that in the book. Let me see if there's a bottom one to put in here. Oh, wait. Let me go this way. Yes. Here. Put her right there. How cute. I love it. And look, it's just filled up just so nicely. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. It's a tag book, you guys. It holds all tags. A whole page worth of tags. Now imagine this for a holiday. If you gifted this to somebody and it was for presents or holidays, and you made your tags in them, the whole thing would be filled with tags, like a gift tag for Christmas, a gift tag for a birthday, a gift tag. See how cute? Isn't that adorable? I love it so much. Well, thank you guys for joining me. I hope that I inspired you, and I will see you guys again tomorrow. Today was Tuesday, because I did Monday. Yeah, today was Tuesday, day 91. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow for Wednesday. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I don't know. It's almost, the 100 days is almost over, you guys, and I am blessed. Woohoo! I put this up right so I could see it every day. I'm truly blessed. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow, my crafting buddies. Bye for now.